Everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. Today we're going to be unboxing the WeMo Gardenspot Mini RGB starter set, and this is the Osram Lightify. There's several units in here, so we'll show you what's going on. Here's a getting started guide, how to put it all together. We have the WeMo link here. Plug this into your wall. That's your wireless link. It's app enabled. Here are the RGB units that you stick into the ground outside. See, right here. You stick them in. And underneath, we have the box. Okay, thanks for bearing with us there. And then this is the charging equipment that you'll use to power all of these units here. So it's 3 separate pieces. It's the power units, it's the actual lights that are connected, and then you have the WeMo wireless adapter, which is app enabled. And you just simply plug it into your wall and you're off to the races. So this is the WeMo Osram Lightify Gardenspot Mini RGB starter set. I am Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. We'd love positive